Hello everyone, and this week we're going to do another lesson on multiplication. And this week it's on the link between multiplication questions. Now, that's likely a sentence you don't quite understand, but I'm going to show you what that means. But before we get started, we'll do a quick review. So, we can use equal groups to do multiplication. So here we have 4 times 3 equals 12, because we have 4 groups. In each group there's 3 apples. There are 12 apples in total, so 4 times 3 equals 12. We've also seen that you can use an array to do multiplication. So here we have 3 times 4 equals 12 with this array, because we have 3 apples vertically, 4 apples horizontally, 12 apples in total, so 3 times 4 equals 12. But what we're going to talk about today is changing the order of the first two numbers. So 3 times 4 equals 12, we just saw that. But 4 times 3 also equals 12. All we did was change the order of the first two numbers, but you cannot change the order of the answer. The answer needs to stay the same. Again, the answer does not change. Only the numbers in the question can change order. It's actually the same thing in addition, and we've already seen that before. So we know that 5 plus 4 equals 9. You can change the order of the first two numbers in the addition question. So 4 plus 5 also equals 9, but the 9 does not change. So I'm going to show you how that works using our two different methods. So the apples we've seen a million times by now. We have 4 groups with 3 apples, and there's 12 apples in total, so 4 times 3 equals 12. But we're going to take this last group here, and we're going to divide up the apples. So now we have 3 individual apples, and we'll add 1 apple to each group. So now we still have equal groups. They're different, but they're still equal groups because there's still the same number of apples in each group. So now we have 3 groups of 4, which makes 12 apples. So 3 times 4 equals 12. We didn't add any apples. We didn't take any apples away. We just moved them around a bit. So 3 times 4 is the same thing as 4 times 3, and they both equal 12. Now let's see how that works if you're using an array to do multiplication. So here we have 5 times 4 equals 20, because 5 triangles vertically, 4 triangles horizontally, and 20 triangles in total. Sorry, my screen jumped. But if we flip this grid, we have the same number of triangles. We haven't taken any triangles away, we haven't added any triangles, we just flipped the grid on its side. And so now we have 4 triangles vertically, 5 triangles horizontally, and 20 triangles in total, so 4 times 5 equals 20. So 5 times 4 is the same thing as 4 times 5, they both equal 20. So, in conclusion, you can change the order of the first two numbers. 2 times 3, same thing as 3 times 2, they both equal 6. 2 times 4 equals 8, 4 times 2 also equals 8. 5 times 3 is the same thing as 3 times 5, they both equal 15. 3 times 4 equals 12, and 4 times 3 equals 12. And I know I've said this before, but I really want to repeat. We can only change the order of the two numbers in the question, the first two numbers. We cannot change the order of the number in the answer. And bravo, you've done the lesson for today.